Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I just wanted to show you guys this card that one of my friends that I've met on YouTube sent to me, and it's beautiful on the inside too. And her name is Ann Rizzo, and she is from Orlando, and I've just met her through YouTube. Oh, how cute. And I just opened this card and I thought, oh my gosh, I need to show you guys because it is just gorgeous. So first of all, it has brick in the background, and then she put this snow on here, which is just fabulous. And then she used one of the Stampin' Up sets to make her little door, the little welcome sign. She did a beautiful job. And then look, the door opens and there's a candy cane inside. Isn't that the cutest? And there's like snowy stuff on the brick. I mean, it's just wonderful. She did a fabulous job. And then she has a cute little, what I make with my hands, I give with my heart. How sweet. Thank you so much, Anne. I absolutely love it. This is definitely a treasure, and I will keep it forever. Thank you very much. Oh, and look at the little special delivery from the North Pole sticker. Thought you guys might like to see that too. So thank you again. I appreciate it a lot. Merry Christmas.